Hey guys, happy Friday. Coming to you to share the new Hello Happy that was released yesterday. And that light right there is absolutely terrible. But we're going to go with it. So I got my Hello Happy in the mail, and I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to share it live with you guys. It went live yesterday at noon, and I think I have 4 or 5 of you guys who already claimed one. But Hello Happy, if you've not heard of it before, hey Kristen, hey Teresa, hey Crystal, hey Jen. Hello Happy is something that we started last fall, doing that light, guys, I can't handle it. Doing one new Hello Happy per month. And what it is a bundle of products that are exclusive to Hello Happy. So they're not items that you can, get online, even in a different print. The only way to get them is through Hello Happy. And we started them as a mystery type thing. And then this month we're releasing what it is right out the gate, which I'm excited about. This one is the best one to date, in my opinion. So, in each month they have a new theme. And this month's theme, hey Deborah, hey Dottie, is inspiration. And so it comes with this cute little card and a little inspirational quote. It says, "Today I will welcome each new opportunity with an open heart and open mind." So, thanks, Vicki. So I just love things like this, little reminders like this on my desk, because I need all the inspiration I can get. So it comes packaged just like this, which these are great gifts, I think, because if you need to send a gift or in the mail, it's already prepackaged. Everything's, ready for you, even with this cute little card. And even if you don't need to send it, it's still already prepackaged for you. So this zipper pouch is amazing. Hey, Chelsea. If you guys know our regular zipper pouch, this one's actually much bigger. I was trying to find the dimensions. I saw a picture of somebody putting their laptop in this. I can't find the dimensions right now. I'll try to find those for you guys. But super huge zipper pouch. I'm thinking that my planner will fit in this. Yes. Perfect. Okay, so here we go. So, and of course this is backwards for you guys, but it says, "Happiness looks good on you," which is funny because that's actually something that was told to me recently by quite a few people, even people that don't know me very well. Hey Aaron, hey Cheryl. And that is such an amazing compliment to give someone, is that happiness looks good on them, because it's just great for other people to be able to see you on the outside and know that you're happy on the inside. Okay, so we got the zipper pouch. And I guess I should have told you guys. Sorry, my mind is all over the place. I had to take Vin to the vet this morning. He's getting fixed today. So this whole bundle is only $25. I guess I should have said that right out of the gate, because that's a pretty big deal. So this is super fun. This is a little pocket planner, and it says "Dare to Dream Big." And it has, here's a month at glance of how this pocket planner goes. And then it's got plenty of room for, notes. And I think this would be good just for in my purse type of thing. For dates, I try to use the iPhone calendar app. I've really tried to use it, but I'm such a paper person. Hey Kathy, hey Lauren, hey Kim, hey Betty Jean. Thanks for tuning in, guys. So I'm still a paper person. I think I always will be. So this is the planner, and it has super cute quotes. Courtney, if you're watching this, I know you love planners with quotes. This one is, "It won't be easy, but it will be worth it," which I love. So it comes with the pocket planner. This is going to be a long video, I apologize. Another fun idea I saw for these is, instead of a planner, making it like a grateful journal, and each day writing something that you're grateful for, or each day writing something positive about that day. So many of us are so busy that, maybe you don't have 20 minutes to journal every day, but I'm sure you have 5 minutes to, write something that you're thankful for or grateful for. All right, what else do we have? Ooh, these are cute. Okay, so these are pocket folders. Or pocket folder. Let me open it here and see what we got. Hey, Ashley. I was hoping I would catch some of you guys live today, since it's only the 3rd, and I guess all my teacher friends aren't back to school yet. And it's 10:30, so we should all be up and going by now, even though we're all still in that, like, Christmas mood. Okay, so this is a folder here. Ooh, and so it's got, so it's got pockets inside. So it's got 3 different sleeves of pockets inside this, like, protectant. It does have 3 hole punch, if you use that. But I'm thinking this is, like, right off the bat, I'm thinking that this is good for, like, today I had to take some papers with me for Finn that I really didn't want to just throw in my purse and then get all messed up. So this would have been great for that. Should have opened this earlier. All right, there's still more. So also in this bundle, if you're just tuning in, this is the new Hello Happy bundle. And you're getting all of this for $25. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. All right, so this is, let me see what the official name of this little guy is so I don't butcher what this actually is called. So I can't find the name of it right now. All right, so this is like, I'm totally gonna butcher this, so hang on just a second. I'm gonna actually find out the real name of this thing. It's not just a thing, y'all. Okay, inspirational cards with wooden stand. Sounds much better than thing. Hey, Jennifer. So this is a wooden stand. So it has the 31 logo here, or you can flip it around. Hey, Carrie. And it comes with 31 inspirational, quantity 31, inspirational cards and quotes that you can put on your desk or wherever, really, that you can, swap out. Ooh, I love these. Sorry, I'm just opening this for the first time. This one says, each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. So I love that. Hey, Brandy. Be the reason someone smiles today. Life was meant for living. Keep moving forward. I just love these. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Absolutely. So these are just, oh my gosh, these are just so cute. And the little stand can just sit right on my desk. Or actually, I'm needing something for my mantle since I just took down all my Christmas stuff. This would be really cute for that to interchange. So all of this comes in this Hello Happy bag for $25. If you're like me, I'm thinking gifts. And if you're like my friend Jen, who has already started her Christmas 2020 shopping, shout out to you, Jen. You're the real MVP, because I'm not even thinking that. But you could, hypothetically, keep this planner for yourself, give this as a gift, then give this as a gift to someone else, keep this for yourself. Like, there's just so many options with this, and I'm absolutely loving it. I've personally liked every Hello Happy that I've gotten, but this is definitely the best one. It's very inspirational. I guess that's why they're calling it Hello Happy Inspiration. And for the value, too. I think that this is an amazing value, all of this for $25. So, with that said, happy Friday. And I'm going to be placing another bulk order for these today. Comment below if you want in on that to save some on shipping. Or I will post a link below if you want to go online and check out the monthly specials and all that good stuff too. But I just kind of feel like these may not last very long online just because it's an amazing deal. So again, comment below if you're interested. If you commented yesterday, I got your order. I placed it yesterday in that bulk order for you guys to save some on shipping. And that's pretty much it. I'm excited about this Hello Happy. Hope you guys are too. Hope you have a great Friday. And I'll talk to you soon.